Despite the fall weather, it's still dry out there, which means wildfires still have a chance of popping up. And yesterday, a viewer caught a rare phenomenon on camera during the Blue Gulch fire. Some people may say it's a fire tornado, but that's actually not the case. I explain fire whirls and what causes them in this week's Weekly Weather Lab. Wildfire season is not over yet in southern Idaho. In fact, just this past Saturday, another wildfire began to burn near Balanced Rock, and it caused an interesting phenomena, a fire whirl. Viewer Doug Weaver captured this video of the whirl yesterday. I would like to stress that unless you're a firefighter, no one should be getting this close to a wildfire. But how do these form? Fires are very, very hot, and this leads to very warm air near the Earth's surface. Now, as we all know, this warm air will rise very, very rapidly, causing a very small but very powerful local deficit of air at the Earth's surface. This deficit of air generates a local region of low pressure at the Earth's surface. This causes a new local wind to be developed by the pressure gradient force to fill the void. Something else is needed to generate the fire whirl: rotation. In our case, friction near the ground causing slower overall flow, and faster winds aloft caused a spinning tube of air, like I have in my hand here. Now, this spinning tube of air was tilted vertically when it encountered the rising warm air within the fire. It was also stretched. When rotation is stretched, it strengthens in intensity, much like a figure skater pulling her arms in to spin faster. While yesterday's whirl was relatively weak, extreme cases of fire whirls can get up to nearly a mile tall, but small in diameter, and have winds over 120 miles an hour, uprooting trees and doing all kinds of damage. These features are a sign of aggressive fire behavior, so it's important to keep a safe distance from them as much as possible. Otherwise, as we all know, bad things can happen. Now, the good thing with yesterday's conditions, with the calm winds, the fire was able to be controlled last night, as Steve reported earlier, so that's good news.